Welcome to Salamander Yoga. Let's stretch out those salamander arms and salamander legs as you try and feel all of that salamander energy. To begin, we can sit down and we are going to try to grow some flowers. To do that, your knees can be slightly bent, but your legs are not crossed. Good. Now, move one hand and arm under each leg. When you are ready, use your arms to gently lift your legs up a little bit off the ground. Try and keep your back straight. Breathe in and out. Great! Now slowly lower your legs back to the ground. I still don't see any flowers, so let's try again. Use your strong arms to lift up. And your legs are in the air. Wow, some flowers are growing. Stay here and come back down. Let's try one more time. Back straight, breathe in, lift those legs up. Oh wow, look, more flowers and bees and an elephant in the room. Let's put our legs down and check this out. Wow! And look, its tail is turning into stairs. Let's climb. We are on top of an imaginary animated elephant. Look around. What do you see? Hey, the elephant is moving its trunk. Let's do that too. Put your hands together and stretch your arms in front of you to make a big elephant trunk. Now, take a slow breath in as we move our trunk above our head. Hold here and slowly breathe out as you bend your upper body forward and bring your trunk down, all the way to between your legs. Hold here and we'll start again. Breathe in and the trunk goes up. And breathe out and the trunk goes down. One last time. Breathe in, trunk up. Breathe out, trunk down. Oh, I think the elephant wants us off now. But luckily, we've grown some wings. To get those wings to work, we need to slowly bend at the waist as we spread our arms to the side, just like an airplane. Now, slowly lift one foot up and back and hold it there. Try and hold your balance. Oh look, we're in the air. Wow! We're up in the sky with the birds and butterflies and the tiny flying alligators. Okay, we've landed on a cloud. We can stand and take a breath. Now, let's try and fly again. So, bend forward, hold out your arms like an airplane, and lift up the opposite or other leg this time. And push that leg back into the air. There go our wings, and we're flying again. Stay balanced. Oh, it's a whole congregation of alligators. And we are coming down to the ground and... oof. Okay, phew, that was tiring. Let's move on to something more stable. So get on your hands and knees and try to keep your back totally flat and straight like a table. Take a big breath in and out. And, oh no, an entire set of dishes from dinner that still has spaghetti on them have landed on your back. Keep your back flat and try not to spill them as you take your left arm and stretch it straight out in front of you. Now take your right leg and stretch that straight out behind you. Hold here. Keep holding. Great. You can return back to being a stable table. Take a deep breath in and out, and we're going to stretch the opposite limbs. So move your right arm out straight in front of you and your left leg out straight behind you. Hold here. Try not to spill any dishes. And we can go back to being a stable table. Now gently roll over and eat all of that leftover spaghetti. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. So, laying on our backs, let's look up and focus on breathing softly. Okay, everyone, the 5-minute yoga break is over. Great job!